Right, so today's theme is to sort out the dying, so detecting the death, figure out what we're going to do for death. I think we'd probably, if we've got the bytes, make it blow up, someone's dog barking, and try and see if we can do the start. See if we can do the start menu as well, and then see how many bytes we've got. Because I have an idea for the leveling. I have an idea, but I need to play with it and stuff like that. So let's see. We've got a memory location that tells us when we're dead, and I need to stop the, there we go, are we dead yet? I need to stop the game to see what is being detected as dead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a test in here. Branch if not equal dead. So this is dead. Oh, that's for the fuel. Right. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to LDA compare branch if minus to we died, and put that here, and we're just going to jump to star, so it's just going to stop, because I want to see what we've coded in for the death. Have we tested everything? So here we go. Right, let's see if I can try and avoid dying. Ooh. Right, so the rockets is not registering. Right, so we collide with the scenery, because I moved down, that's going to hit that. So we're colliding with the scenery. So why is the rockets not marking me as dead? Let's have a look. Let's see what's happening. So we place the ship to the screen, scan for rockets, place the bullets, place the bomb, check for rocket collision. So that's the one. So right, okay, so we're not actually setting so what we need to do is we need to check. I've got these bytes written down somewhere, haven't I? Where's that bit of paper I had all the numbers on? Ah, there it is. Right, so here we need to check. Right, so compare it with good question, John. Hello. Ship. What am I testing for? Have I got the ship? Aha! Right, so it's So we ignore the last one. So we ignore 62. So it's 252, 62. Oh, that's going to be troublesome, isn't it? $61. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, 62, 61, 252. Right, so they're the ones that we need to scan for. So let's make some constants here. Right, have I got a game? No. Maybe I should have done. In fact, I will. So, constant, right, ship. Byte 1 equals 62. Yes, we are. We're using Kick Assembler in this particular case. Right, so we've made some constants. So let's get to ship. Where's ship? Let's go to the top. Import game constants. Right, so that is ship byte 1. No. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That. Let's do that. Right. Ship byte 1, ship byte 2, 3, 4. Let's make sure we ain't broke out. Where's that? 138. Oh, that's in there, isn't it? 138. Oh. Where was that? Oh, rocket. Here we go. Right, so we're now testing for ship byte 1, CMP, hash, ship byte 2, CMP, hash, ship byte 3, right, so we're now going to be testing for all of those. And what we need to do is evening. What we need to do for each one of those, we need to set the death. So yeah. Question. What do you mean for? Is that for me? Oh no, not for me. Right, so we need to check for the ship. So we will go branch if equal ship detected. Branch if equal ship detected. And we need this is turn off rocket, because we're going to need that. Right, ship detected LDA #128. Whoa, store it in are we dead yet, and then jump to turn off rocket. So now that's not liking that because we haven't imported it. And I need to do in here right, so that means now, so when it comes down, we're checking, where's the, here we go. So we check, hey Mark, we check for the space and then we check for the rocket. So if those two then we're fine, we want to carry on. Then we check for each of the 4 bytes. Yeah, I checked for 62 twice. It's because what happens if we change that character? Yeah, if we change the character to something else, then we'd have to change it. So yes, if it's equal to the ship, then we say we're dead because it's hit us on any one of those 4 bytes basically. And if it's not anything else, if it's not any of them, then it's something else, right? And we want the rocket to stop. So if it's the scenery at the top, we want it to stop. If it's hit another enemy, we want the rocket to stop. So hopefully now when a rocket hits us, that should pause the game. So here we go. Right, let's try and avoid the rockets. There we go. Hit us. Right, so we've now got the rockets hitting us. And we die. Right, let's see if hitting any of the ships will help us out. Whoa! That was a rocket that hit us. Oh, I've got to restart it. I need to put a space in there. I'm not going to hit this. I'm not going to be able to hit the land, am I? Right, let's see if I can hit the land. There we go. Yep, so we crash. Right. So we've got the basic detection working. We've got the rockets hitting us. And we're checking that we are... I know, we're greater than 4K. I know. Oh, no, we're not. No, we're not. We're still underneath it. We're still underneath it. I ain't even done sound. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do sound because I'm struggling with Grid Runner trying to make noises. It's driving me nuts. Yes, I know, but until I've nailed down what the ship's going to look like, because I'm still unsure, the 4 bytes will have to stay. If we've got 2 bytes that are the same and I need to optimize, then I'll take them out. Yeah. I'm gonna have to optimize anyway, but I'm gonna gain more space on the top scenery and the bottom scenery systems, because they are just duplicated. And you have the Shallan sickness. Yeah. Oh, I know, mate. I know. But you know the ship could be 4 completely different bytes. It just happens that 2 of them are the same. Right. So we need to do the death scene. So this is our death scene. So memory. Have we got? Do we have a ship count? Ships remaining. Yes, we do. Right. So, have I got a setup? System setup. There we go. Initialize XBAR. LDA. #4. Store it in ships remaining. So 4 ships we'll start off with. I mean, I ain't even done the top bit. I want to do the top bit as well because it looks a bit boring. I want to put colour in it, but I'm going to see how much space we've got and stuff like that. Right. So we have 4 ships. So when we do we do an explosion, or do we just not bother at all? I'll tell you what, we will not bother at all until we know we've got plenty of space. Right. Side scroller. Here we go. So we are going to create explosion. Have I spelled that right? It's 42. So we are going to go LD-0 LDA hash ship explosion. Now we need in fact get rid of that and we will go JSR explode ship. Go in here. Explode ship. Right, so we need to know where the ship is. So we can nick this, because that's where the ship is. rid of that. And just put in the explosion. So we'll grab that, put it there. Now, it's probably cheaper to do a loop. Store it in 0. Zero screen locale. That's the one. Comma Y. Oh, that is not gonna happen, is it? I'll have to put it there. And then LDA hash red. Store it in zero page color. Color. Why are you not coming up? Come on, white. Then increase Y, increase X. In fact, no, we will decrease X. Branch shift plus, so 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, too many. So it's 3. Branch shift plus to loop. RTS. Right, so we're doing that. Then we will jump to start. So we should end up with the ship exploding. The ship exploding. Oh, we're still within it. We're still within it. Right, come on, shoot me down. Come on. There we go. Right, so that's our explosion. Boom. In typical cassette 50 style. So now we need I suppose press play, press space to continue or something like that. Press fire, that'll be the one. So we need to get this up and running because that's how many ships we've got left. Level, yeah, still not sure about that. But we'll get there. Right, so we need to, so we've got a place where we got the display score, so we can do it there. So display score, we can have display lives, I suppose. Have we got display lives? Can't remember. Nope. Oh, that was the high scoring, isn't it? That is the fuel bar. Right. Let's do display ship. Display ships remaining. So we need to work out where it is. Where is it? Right, so that's 37, 38. 37, 38. So that's going to be 20. 28, 27, 26. Let's just make sure that's right. $25. Oh, okay. 25. Right, so that's fuel gauge, score location. Here we go. So this is ship remaining location, which is equal to $0425. Right. Utils, that's where we're. So we're going to do the same here. So ships remaining, and this is going to be ooh, caps. Ships remaining location. Where's the location? +1. Right. So we only need to run this routine once. So we need to run it there. So where do we, right, so we initialize the bar there, then we do it. So right, we'll set that up there, and then in the death scene here we're going to do it there as well, but after we have done DEC ships remaining, now question is, do we get them to start again, or do we resume from where we're left off? I think we need to get them to start again. Right, so branch if equal to 0 to no more ships. Display the ships remaining. We're gonna have to split this. Gonna have to split that. Yeah. So we definitely need that lot. Up there. And that is purely to do, we'll do that as well. That is purely that screen setup. Right. Session setup. And this resets all the bombs and rockets and all that rubbish. Now we need to set this back up as well. So we'll take that out of there. Cut. And we'll put it in the session setup. So that's putting the ship back where it came from. What else do we need to do? Oh, this lot here. So we need to do that. In fact, we need to do all that. Okay, we can do all that. So we clear the screen. Let's put that at the start. Clear the screen. Set up the printing. Set up. Re-establish all the counters. Deactivate all the rockets and the bombs. Put the ship in the right place. Start with a full fuel tank. Right. Excuse me. So we don't need to do this now. This is that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this first. Right, so we don't need all that because we're doing it now. And we don't need that, and that. Right, so we initialize the score. Session setup. So when we die, if we've still got ships remaining, we don't need to do that. We can just do session setup. Right. Now, this is going to start, this is going to, every time we die, this is going to immediately restart. So keep that in mind. We haven't put the bits in to say, press any key to continue. Right. Die, boy, die. Here we go. Oh, kaboom. Well, that didn't end well, did it? So what did I do wrong? Right, let's put a breakpoint in there. Let's find out what's going on. Come on. Wakey, wakey. Okay. Die, boy, die. Fire. Here comes the rocket. And we're dead. Right then, let's find out what's going on. Oh, I didn't really want to go in there. Did not want to go in there. Where's my red blob? Oh, there's my breakpoint. DO7. DO7. There it is. Right, let's put another breakpoint there. F11. Right, so it's cleared the screen. So that's what it looks like. So let's see what's going on. Oops. Ooh, we don't want to do that. we don't really want to do that, but it's going to push us through it. Okay. Go, what are you doing? Here we go. RTS. Oh, okay, what are you doing now? No, it's printing it out. Right, you jumping out. Come on. No. Right, here we go. Where's my breakpoint? There. So we're going to a DO7. Here we go. DO7, so we are there. Put a breakpoint there. F11. There we go. Right, so that's everything done. So initialize the lot. This is now setting up the bombs. And now it's putting the score on. Game loop. Right, so what's wrong with that? It blew up straight away. Oh, it's blowing up straight away. Kaboom. Right, what have I missed? Oh, I know what I've missed. Do you see it, boys and girls? What have I missed? Come on. What have I missed? No. No takers. AMK points up for grabs. Forgot to reset that. Right. Fuel's going down. Die. There we go. So we're now down to 3 ships. 2 ships. 1 ship. Right, let's see if I can avoid these missiles. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why it's flashing. That's putting me off, that is. Right, so we're dead. So we are dead. Right, let's see if the fuel kills us when we run out of fuel. It's one thing I haven't checked. So I've got to avoid all the rockets. No. Oh. OF08. OF08. Ooh. OF08. Where's my byte dump? Six, 7, 8. Ooh. Why did that get changed? Hmm. Come on. Let's avoid the rockets. See if we run out of fuel. Come on, blow up. Okay. So it's when we run out of fuel. Where was the fuel? Aha, here we go. Are we dead yet? Yes, we are. Oh, I don't go anywhere, do I? That's all right. That should work. That should work. Hey, kebab. I'm doing alright. I'm fed up of seeing spirals. So I'm doing a bit of scramble instead. Have a break. Problem is, we've got a bug, and I don't know how to get on with it. Ooh. Why's that gone down there? Did I put the breakpoint in the wrong place? There, that's where I want it. Right. Joystick on. Right, so I've got to miss all the bullets. Miss all the bullets. Come on. Oi, 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 oi. Dead. Yeah, I still can't get smaller than 121. Give it up as a bad job. Too many people are doing 100 or less, I think. Oh, I'm not paying attention. In fact, let's make this life a bit easier. Fuel tank. 24. $119. Oh, you're beating me. Oh, that's just wrong. Oh, I've been too puristic. Me. I've done some very clever coding, but I think I've been too pure. Right. Avoid the rockets. Here we go. We're going to die. Come on. There we go. Right. So, we then... So it's going to go through the delay. Then we load. It's 80. branch if minus. So it does that, then it does then it does the putting the asterisks in. Well, let's do the other. There we go. Right, so he's put the asterisks in. So let's jump back out. So it decreases the ship. O2B8. What's that decreased it to? 3. Branch if equal to 0. No, it's not. Restart. So we'll take that out. F11. If you blank the screen with ats and run a loop to draw the first line, it's 90 bytes. Everything else is self-modifying code. Well, I did self-modifying instructions as well. So I have one draw routine that is then reconfigured. Yeah. So as well as self-modifying the number, it self-modifies the actual instruction as well. So adds become subtracts and subtracts become adds. Branch if carry sets become branch if carry clears, and I'm still 121. I don't know how to make it any smaller. You know, it draws a spiral around the screen. And it does it correctly. 121 bytes. So these people that say they've done it in 40 bytes, they must be cheating somehow. They must have another C64 drawing the screen and then transmitting it using the serial port to the other 64, and that's where they get the 40 bytes from. Anyway. So 121. It's a purist way of doing it. I mean, you use 10 bytes just to get the program to run. Right. I've forgotten what my problem was now. I'm having spirals all over again. What was my problem? Oh yeah. Right, F6. It jammed, didn't it? When did it jam? Okay, here we go. So fuel goes dead. Fuel goes dead. Fuel goes dead. Fuel goes. Right. Well, it didn't crash then. Yeah, 119, mate. Yeah. I don't know. I'm just trying to. I'm just thinking now. I'm supposed to be concentrating on this, and I'm just thinking now. How can I shave 2 bytes off mine? Or 3 bytes. I've got to be lower. 3 bytes. How am I going to shave 3 bytes? Oh, that's annoying now. Oh well. I don't want to do this now. I want to shave 3 bytes off my program. How sad is that? Oh dear. Right, let's find out what's going on. F6. I've got to find where it's doing it. So I'm hiding away from rockets. Keep going. Ooh, oh. Oh, that's it. Come on. Avoid the rockets. Dead. Oh. What is going on there? Ask yourself, what would you mean to do? And then do the opposite. I don't know why it's doing that. Memory OFOO 034802. So it's putting a 2 in there. So it's putting these in. Something to do with this, it's got to be. Why, oh why? There's nothing there. Right. Let me, it's got to be where we test for the fuel. Because we put 248 in. And then, hang on, I think I've missed it. Where's the game? Here we go. So we decrement the fuel tank and then we increase it. Now, let's not increase it. Let's put a number in there. Just put enough in there to get it going. Oh. But if we died, system set up. Do we set up the fuel tank? Yeah, we set up the fuel tank. In the session startup setup. And we do the session setup. Right, let's do it again. Let's see what happens this time. Here, rockets, rockets, rockets. Here, rocket, rocket, rockets. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Here, rocket, 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 rockets. Ah, the fuel went down. The fuel went down. Right, I'm going to put a breakpoint because I'm not liking this. Right, let's put a breakpoint there. Let's do F6. That should be working all right. Right. Here, rocket, rocket, rockets. Out of bounds. I think it's the calculation where it's working the fuel meter. But I don't know why, because I set the fuel meter when we're dead. So it should never hit 0. There. See, we've died, right? We've got a number there, right? So I'm going to tell it to carry on. Boom. So, what could... Oh, hang on. Session startup. Do we initialize... Do we initialize the X? We initialize the bar there. Right, where's the display of the bar? Utilities, isn't it? It's in there. So, loads the fuel tank, comma Y. Ooh. 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 That is, I'm just wondering if it's that. We take the fuel tank, we divide it by 8. We transfer it X and then Y. So that's going to be 0. Yeah. No, it still can't be right. The fuel tank's 0 or 2. Divide by 8 is 0. Transfer it into X. Transfer it into Y. So Y is 0. We load the 0 character. Ooh. DEY becomes 255. Yeah, I'm doing the PLA here, mate. So it's not in that loop. I think it's something to do with this test here. I think because it's putting blocks everywhere. It's putting blocks everywhere. I mean, I'll show you, right? I'll change it to 255 and then we can see for definite. Here we go. It's F6. So there we go. There's our blocks. So we'll wait. We'll get all the rockets. Oh, and it hit us. Oh. I don't think we're initializing everything, or oh, kaboom! I don't think we're initializing everything right. That's one behind, that's one back. There you go. No, it's not putting. We're in the wrong area. It's putting 160s. We're not initializing properly. What am I missing? Right, we'll put that to 160. What am I missing? What am I missing? So we remove the rockets, change the position, blah, 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 scroll the screen. I wonder. No, it can't be that. It's got to be. We're setting this up. Ooh, hang on. Hang on. Build bottom scene. Oh, okay. Self-modifying code again. Self-modifying code again. What's what? Oh, top secret, mate. Top secret. You can actually specify a label inside of a instruction. So this label here is the byte location for that. See, normally you'd put it here, you know, you'd do this like that, and then when you reference it, like here, you would do block +1, yeah. But with Kit, you don't need to. You can actually put the label inside the instruction, so you're referencing that memory location there. And I think that we are not resetting the scenery. We need to reset the scenery. Which is this here. So let's put that in the setup. Where's the session setup? You should be able to see that, shouldn't you? Yeah. Session setup. Here we go. So this is the session setup. So we need to reset our pointers. So that's the bottom. And we've got the same problem for the top. Where is the top? Here we go. Here we go. So that's the top. Right. That should sort it. Let's see. Don't get hit by a rocket, mate. Don't get hit by a rocket. Ah! I can't even play my own game. Here, rocket, rocket, rocket. Here, rocket, 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 rocket. Here, rocket, rocket, rocket. Right. Come on. Right, so we've run out. So this is where we failed. So if I tell it to go, that's better. that is what was the problem. We wasn't resetting the scenery cycle. Right, let's take that breakpoint out. And I thought it was the fuel meter. Where am I? Here. Right, so get rid of that. Put that back to how it was. Ink. Right, so when we die, we need some way to say, please continue with your game. So let's put, here we go, let's put some text in here. Right, please press fire to continue. All those bytes being wasted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Right, so we want it 30, 10, 5. Puts us in the middle and want it 13 down. 13 down. Right, so where's our, here we go, this is what we need. Explode ship. That's in ship. So this explodes it. We reset it, reset everything. Oh, I've lost where this game loop is. Yeah, there it is. We died, so it's here. So we reset everything, we reset, then we put the text on the screen. So we should have a clear screen because we do a clear screen in the session update. So text, reset. Oh, did I call it that? Yeah. So we put that on the screen, and then we need to test for the fire button. So we'll grab that. Put it in there. And fire button, fire, fire, fire. Left. That's the one we want. Right. Branch, if not equal to fire button test. So that's just going to loop round and round and round and round and round until we hit the fire button. Right, F5. Ooh, did I leave the breakpoint in? Probably did. No, I did not. Okay, right, so die by any means, John. Come on. Come on. See if you can shoot me down. Let's see if you can shoot me. Shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. There we go. Right. Okay, press fire to continue. Nice. Press fire to continue. Right, I don't like that. I don't like that. I'm gonna change it. Gonna change. Right, so we need that. Cut. So we explode the ship. We test if there's any more. Right, there. That's where I want it. Right, let's die. Die. There we go. Where's the fire? Press fire. Oh, it's there, that's right. Cut. Put that there. That's what I want. So you press fire, starts again. I like that scroll thing when it scrolls away. I like that scrolly thing when it scrolls away. Also, I want to do something as well. No, I'll do that when I do the optimization. Right, die boy, die. Press fire, you press fire, and it starts again. I like that thing scrolling away. Haha. Right, so we've got the death system in place. I can hear the shouts now. Compile it, submit it. I mean, it's ready. We haven't got any levels in there. I want to. How many bytes we got left? Oh my god! How close is that? I want to put some colours on the axis of the fuel. Let's do that. I want to put the colour. So this is there. So what we'll do is LDA hash green, store it in fuel grid start plus have I got the offset? Ooh, is the offset? You naughty, naughty boy, John. Naughty, naughty. You haven't got the offset in there. Right, okay. Utils. Right, plus the offset, comma X. So that's gonna make the whole thing green. Then so that's gonna make the whole thing green. Oh, we've got to make this. Got to make this better. Yes. CPX hash 4 branch of carry set next color LDA hash red. Branch if plus paint color. Paint color. Okay. Oh, does that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. There's that clever thingy you can do, isn't there? Doesn't matter. It's not going to do it anyway. CPX hash so 8 branch carry set to next color. LDA hash orange, and then it's green. So there's branch of plus. I think I can get away with that. I think I can get away with that instead of using the jump. In fact, is it dot byte? Ooh, here we go. Starting to use some right. What am I looking for? Is that so? Is it absolute 2C? Right, byte $2C. $2C. That should do it. So we work out based on this. Right, so that should give us a fuel bar with some colours in. Let's have a look. That's if I ain't broke it. Oh, it's wiped out. Why did it get wiped out? Why did it get wiped out? Right, F6. Nope. F6. Okay. Oh, you got wiped out. Shift F6. Why did it get wiped out? Shift F. There we go. Oh, he's put the bar in, so I'm clearing the screen, aren't I? Okay, I'm clearing the screen, aren't I? Oh. No worries, no worries. Where did I put that breakpoint? Oh, it's there. No worries. Where's the setup? Yeah. So I'm doing that, and then I'm immediately clearing the screen. So I don't know why I'm doing that. Ooh. What? What on earth did I do just then? So we don't need that. Clear the screen. Put the scrolling line in. Put the fuel line in. Draw the bar. Here we go. Oh, the green merges with the green. We have a light green. White. Okay. See what white looks like. Yeah, yeah. In fact, I think white's a good idea, but I think that, oops, get in there. I think that may be a better idea. Let's have a look. Ooh, that goes with the orange and red. So, why does it flash? Right. So the question is, what's the border color going to be? Well, what's the background going to be then? If we have a border of black, what's the background going to be? So black on blue. Okay, let's have a play. Come on, that's better. External colour. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, why is that open? Right. Right. Try and remember cassette 50 game. Cassette 50 game. There we go. Cassette 50 game. There we go. Keeps your eyes in the game if the black outside. Yeah. Right. Now the problem we've got now is one, we've blown our limit, I noticed, and I want to put a. Oh, I did want to put a title on it, but it looks like we're not going to have the space because we have blown our limit. I think we're about, yeah, we've gone over. But there is some optimization, as Andy's quite rightly pointed out, and also I do believe that in the building of the scenery, we have got two routines that are basically identical, and we just need to change. We just need to change them because they are identical, except for the characters. They're identical. And I think we can optimize that. This is this bit here. Because we've got, excuse me, we've got two draw bottoms. We've got draw bottom, which is right, which is here, yeah, here, which is identical to draw top, but the only difference is as top draws down, bottom draws up. See, we could be clever. Right, where's the draw? Where's the draw? Draw down. Here we go. Draw pillar. So if we get rid of all that rubbish and get rid of all that, see, that's drawing the pillar. That is drawing the pillar. See, we start at 24 and we go. We're drawing up because we're DEXing. But it's exactly right. Let me do this. So this is draw bottom pillar, and if we go down, draw top pillar, right? So if we get rid of this, and get rid of this, they are almost identically the same. So how can we make this into one routine but works both ways? How can we get this to work both ways? Right. So we have a row counter. Right. Now in these two, there's top and bottom, right? But it's a row counter. That's all it's doing, is counting the rows. So that can be the same. We have a different LDX. We have a different start point for X. We have a different colour. We have a different counter. Oh, that's the counter. So we have a different position. We have a different position in each one. So we need to test for the position. And then as we go down, why the top stops but the bottom continues? Oh, that's the surface targets, isn't it? It's where it's putting all the bits on. Right. Okay. So if we ignore that, that's not part of the deal. So basically, it's just 3 bits of information we need to send in. That is all we need to do. 3 bits of information. Okay. Now, what is that relying on? What's the extra bit relying on? It's relying on the X, isn't it? It's relying on the X. Do the screen, but we're pushing the character. So, okay, we might be able to do this. So we need three bits of information. So bottom, right, row counter, bottom counter. That's the that's the counter for where we are. Okay. Right, so draw pillar is K. Right, we need some more space. Need some more memory locations. So we need 3. So label draw pillar start X. Ooh, no thanks. Let's go back to it. What am I looking at? Draw pillar. So X. But we're decreasing X. So we're decreasing X. Right, so this needs a label. And that, right, okay. So we need start pillar X start label pillar row counter. No. We don't need that. We need row position. Pillar row position. What else do we need? Oh, it was color, wasn't it? Pillar color. And that was it. I think that was it. Okay. That's where we draw the things. Okay. Right. So, let's copy this. We'll copy the lot. I know I don't need it, but we'll copy the lot. Put it there. Right, draw pillar. So it's now going to be generic. So we are going to load. Oh, I've done it again. Right, fuel tank. That. Right, so let's put that over there so I can see what I'm doing. So draw pillar, where is it? Draw pillar, here we go. So I'll do that so you can see. I think you can see, can't you? Yeah. Right. So we're going to make this as we're going to try and make this generic. So pillar start is there. Oh, rats. Pillar start is there. So it's going to load X from the pillar start. Then the pillar row count is going to be here, pillar row position, and the pillar color is going to be here. So what we need to do now is work his way through it. So this is going to be the troublesome spot here, yeah? Because this needs to be either DEX or INX. We've got bottom row counter, so don't need to use that. But I'll stick with it for the moment. Bottom row counter. So really, it's row counter. But where's row counter? Bottom row counter. Oh, that's there. We'll leave it. I'll check when we've got it working. I'll work it out. Right. So I want to get rid of this because that's getting in the way. Right. So we've got to do something about this. Increase the counter. Draw the screen. Put the stuff on the screen. But then we push it back. Now we don't want to do that. We want to yeah. We need to know. Oh, we don't need to know because we're sending it in. So we can get rid of that. So it stores it on the pillar. Right. This needs to be its own function. Place surface assets. So we do a DEX. We don't need to compare it because we know what it is. Load it. Apply target. Put it on the screen. Right. Place surface assets is going to come on the bottom. Yeah, this here. So then once it's done it, we JSO, we place the asset straight away. Because we don't need to do it on the up slopes or the down slopes. It's only on the... Yeah. So we've sorted out placing the surface asset. So we're fine there. And X is going to be still intact anyway. Yeah, X is still intact when we come out of it, which is good. So that needs an RTS. Right. So what needs to happen now is on here we need to oh, it's so frustrating. So frustrating. Right. Okay. We're in draw bottom. Right. Okay. The colour stays the same. Right. Colour stays the same. It's always red. We're on a winner now. Right. So LDA can be the character we want. LDX can be our start position. LDY can be our row position. Nice. Nicely done. Right. Draw pillar. Here we go. So we'll do that, but we're going to go store X in pillar X start. I know I don't need to, but we'll live with it for the moment. Store, which is pillar row position. There we go. Oh, nice. Load note, stores at the bottom, loads pillar. I mean, we don't need to load it and store it. Right, so we do the rest the same. No. Same with the colour. We're always going to start at level 24. So we don't need to do that. So if I go down to here, oh, have I gone too far? Too far. Draw pillar. Don't need to do that. Just need to bring this back. Right, so the colour and now the X start position is set. So we should be right. Where's my DEX? Which is CA. Right, so that's going to store DEX in that position here. So that's everything done. So basically we only have to load, we just have to load this before we go in. Down, up, stay. What else is there? Oh, that just sets the row position. Right. So draw pillar. Draw pillar. Draw pillar. Now that's in the wrong place, that is. That needs to go there. Just make sure I've got everything in the right place. Right, so all we've done is we've changed the bottom, yeah? So now we're drawing the bottom, we're setting up that it's red, start position is 24, and we're saying it's a DEX. Then we draw it. Now for the flat tops, once we've drawn the pillar, because X is preserved, we can do the surface assets. So the first thing we do is DEX at the top. So we DEX, then get this thing, and then put it. Right, that's saved. Please work, please work, please work, please work, please work. Get in there. Get in there. Right. So what I'm going to do now is draw bottom pillar, all this lot, all the way down, including the draw bottom pillar. Yeah, I'm going to rem out. Have we got any errors? Do we have any red? Do we have any red? No. F6. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. So we do the same. We'll do the same with the tops. Drawing the tops. So build scene, build bottom, draw top. So we're looking at draw top. Right, so we'll copy this because we'll need that in draw top. Draw pillar, draw top. Here we go. So draw top, paste that in there. So it's going to be green. We're starting at 2. Right, Iron X, Iron X, Iron X. Ooh, did I go to E8, E8. Right, so we need Let's go back to the bottom so I can remind myself. We need that. That's what we need. Because there's no surface assets on the top. Right, to top. So LDY, and instead of it being bottom, it's top row position. So we do that, draw pillar. Do that, draw pillar. Do that, draw. Ooh, no, that works, that works. Draw pillar. So now I can rem this lot out. And we should be still working. Get in there. Right, now we've combined those two into one. Oh, I didn't say how many bytes. Did we get back under? Oh no! Why? What? Why? I bet it's all those LDYs, isn't it? Oh. I'll tell you what. It's that, isn't it? That is our problem. That one. Because the other ones we only set once. This we set many times. So, where's our 0 pages? There. Right. So we are going to move it. We are going to move it to here. And we are going to make it C0. So we'll get rid of that. Right. Because we're doing a lot of LDYs here. Oh, hang on. Oh, no. It's not that, is it? It's not that. It's the loading these. So that's, I mean, that's 2, that's 3, 6. Let's get rid of this draw top, bottom, and draw top. That should have saved a lot of bytes. I must have been really over. Oh, 20 bytes over. Dear me. Okay, 20 bytes over. So this is what I was on about, self-modifying instructions. So we're now actually modifying the actual routine to get it to do what we want. So this routine is now doing two things. It's drawing from the top and it's drawing from the bottom, because we're modifying an instruction. So the surface assets we can't change. No. I mean, Let's just check that we haven't stuffed up the top part of it. Nope. Oh, flew straight through the rocket. So if you use the C50 code Shallan posted, you will be able to get under the C50 code. The C50 code. Oh, I'll have to have a look at it later. So that works. I might leave it like this because it makes it harder. It's going to make it a tough game. Really tough game. Oh! Oh dear. Oh, I crashed into the words. Right, I'm going to get rid of the words. Crashed into the words. Oh, it's in scroller, isn't it? Setup. Where did I put it? Oh, it's on here, innit? We died. So I put the words back on. I'm taking them off because I died. Right, F6. Right, let's see if we can... Why is that still 114? I've just took some code out of it. Ugh. Why is it still 114? Oh, it's because I've added the top memory, haven't I? Oh, no. Because I've added that. Right. Let's have a look. Did it go under? Oh, no. No. I'm over, so leave it in. It's going to make it harder. See, this leveling ain't even in it. Right, so... what am I gonna do? So that's the exact opposite of what? So that's the number. So I want to knock that down by 2. So 1, 1, 1. That's 1 off. 2 off. Oh, wrong one. Posted into Discord. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Right. I'm using the cassette buffer for my matrix, for my array. But still, that's only what? Yeah. Cheers, matey. I'll have a look at that. I'll have a look at that. Because there's the 0200 area. The 80 odd bytes there. Could put all this array stuff in there. That would give us, what, 80 hex. 40 is... yeah. But there's still optimization that we could do in here anyway. Because my scene decipherer can be done both ways as well. Can be one, and then it, because yeah, it can be one, because the it's basically deciphering the same thing. So I can, you know, tell it to decipher the current. So it's this here. So we load the background, and then we decode it. So what I need to do is to decode it and apply it to a common thing, and then when it comes out we just read it and just get on with it. Yeah. So, but there's still some optimization to do. But I was trying to make the leveling a bit easier. So the top level, it's this one. So I'll need to make that note 1 1 1. That's 1 off, 2 off. Right, that should make the gap wider. Oh, kaboom! Oh, that well and truly bust it. How can 1 byte do that? Alright, let's put it back. Where's my comments? There they are. Right, so... oh, right, okay. That's the number. Direction. Oh, okay. So the right, okay. Right, okay. So that my number is there. So that's 6. 4 and 2 is 6, and I want to minus 2. So we make that a 0. Right. F6. This should make the gap bigger. There we go. Run, Forrest, run! Oh, really? What did I hit? Run, Forrest. Oh, it's going a bit wrong. That went a bit wrong there. Oh, died. Right, so that's definitely dead. Let's do it again. Right, press fire. Ooh, what is going on there? Right, something's not initialized properly. So it's definitely an hard. Oh! Run, Forrest, run! Right. Right, so warp jumps. Right, I'm wondering if it's because it's all the way over there. No, that worked. Ah, got me. Right. Oh, ships. It says 01. I suppose that's right. Problem is now trying to. I had an idea for the leveling that it would auto generate. Yeah. That level 1 had a top stop, and then we'd have a random scenery at the bottom. Level 2 would be a random scenery at the bottom, but then the top would match. Yeah. Level 3 was the squares. You know, we had to go up squares and down squares and up squares like that. That's what I was thinking, but I'm running out of space. I mean, we've got a bit of space there. Fly through basic RAM. But it's trying to make sure that when you randomize it, that the top and bottom don't cross over. So there's no way for you to get through, because that's just unfair. I mean, that's why I've got it on repeat at the moment, just repeating round. To be honest, this is a cassette 50 game, isn't it? You know. We could get away with this as the cassette 50 game. Yeah? Ah, I should have fired. Why did I not fire? Do that again, John. Oh, I died because I got blown up, didn't I? Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. So this could be a cassette 50 game. We've got the scoring. Fine, the high scoring doesn't work because we've run out of space. It is difficult. As I've just shown, it's very difficult. Yeah. I think we're on. Oh crap! Too close. Gonna have to do the bombs. Right. So we need. So when we've run out of ships, we need some code to say restart, and it restarts fully. But we're still 20 bytes over. So how can we do this? Am I using any ROM functions? That's the question. Utilities. Am I using any ROM functions? So I'm using basic as well. There. I'm using the kernel, but I can't get rid of the kernel because I'm using that to But I could get rid of basic. I'm only using it to print the titles out. But that means I've got to write my own print routine. Ugh. Decisions. I'm using plot already. Look, to place the text, place the cursor where I want it, and then it prints. And as Andy said, it won't help because that's the kernel. Yeah, but that's what I'm on about. I have to write my own print routine. Yeah. So, what am I saving? That's the thing. And Andy's right. It's not in the lower 4K. The only reason you would turn off basic is because you want to utilize the 0 pages, right? Which I could do. That would save me space. I mean, how many variables have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes, exact. Yeah, there's a couple of bytes there. But I could put everything. Yes. But I could put all the variables into 0 page. So where am I going to start 0? Where's basic start? Let's try that. Where's my 64 memory map? So if we turn off basic, press space. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30, 15. Oh, 1 byte. Yeah, but what I was thinking, Andy, was all these where all the memory is taking 2 bytes to call it. If I put it all into 0 page, then each load and store, instead of being 3 bytes, would be 2 bytes. So I'm saving a byte every time I'm loading and storing, and that's why I was just about to see where we can successfully, if we turn off basic, the 0 page, where's the first place that we can use that wouldn't trash anything else? So like here. I'm using the kernel calls, yes. See, all this lot here is basic workspace. So we could, so 2B, 2E, 2F, 3O, 3, 2. So we could get away we could start it there. Not there. Not there. Garbage collection, numeric, data type. Right, we could start it here at 10 and be all right. Let's try that. But first we've got to write the print routine. So, utilities. Let's write this print routine. Right, I have got a print routine somewhere. I have a print routine somewhere. Where did I use it? Oh! Oh, it's the new grid runner. It's the new grid runner. Now that's the old one. Yeah, that's the old one. PETSCI matrix. Floating point accumulator 2. Yeah, I mean, we wouldn't be using that if we turn off. Right, let me just find my print routine. I'm sure it's in here somewhere. There we go. Here we go. I knew I'd got one somewhere. In fact, that is print at. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme. Oops. Copy. Oh, will that paste into there? This will be interesting. Paste. Oh, beautiful. Right, so I can get rid of that. So 0 page low. Right, I need to, yeah, 0 page low. Change that. Oh, messing this up. Come on, John. Right. Oh, did I miss something? Exit. Oh, there it is. Right, so I've taken over that now. Print at a string. Print at a point. Oh, have I called it print at point? What's that? Right, have I broken it now? See if it still works. Yep, we're still working. Right, so I ain't turned basic off yet. So let's turn basic off. So now I've got our own print routine. So, oh, and I've got this in here. PETSCI, here we go. Let's turn in basic off. Koi, getting all secrets. My next Cassette 50 game. You don't need to try it. Just don't call it. Okay. So we are starting our, so that's where we were. We are starting it now there. Right, so before we went 0 page, we had 100F. Does it still work? And it's still working. Oh no. No, no, no. Yeah. Now, why would that be? Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Yeah. Meh. Oh, you little... That was naughty. Right. Now we've got... let me up that, slow it down a bit. Right. Yeah. Right. Right, moving it all the memory to 0 page. Okay, so moving all the memory to 0 page, all our variables to 0 page. We are now way under. So what we can do is we can work on when it's finished. So I did want to do the high score, but I think that's just going to just take too much. But then again, I need to specify where the high score is. Right, so the score location is 0409. So that's 0409 there. 9 A B C D E F 10 11 12 13 14 15 0415. Right, so oh, that's what I've called it. I was going to say. Ooh. Now, let's do this the Jeff Minter way. So that's displaying the high score. 100 no-ops. Right, so load. Go backwards. Go backwards. Right, memory. I need a high score in that. That's what I need. Right, don't need that. Display high score, that should work. And that should work. Right, display score. I mean, display high score. So high score when we die is here. Display high score after we've done best score. Right, let's see if I can shoot something and get a score up. Come on, John. Did I get any? No! I'm just rubbish at this game. Oh, it's gone wrong. Why is that moving like that? Now that was all right. Come on. Shoot. Got score. Didn't do the high. Oh no, because we ain't died yet. Oh, lowest score ever with 50. Oh yeah, just managed 250. Oh, that blew the high score up, didn't it? Oh, I haven't initialized the high score, did I? Oh, didn't initialize the high score. Okay. And also I need, if we're going to reset, I need something else here. New game. Because we don't want to reset the high score. Right. Let's see if I can get some shooting done. Come on, John, you can do it. It's your game, you should know how to play it. Oh, I managed to get... Oh, I died. How did I die? Yep, there we go. Oh, I've done it, died again. Come on, come on. Keep firing, keep firing, keep firing, keep firing, keep... 900. Press fire. Doing all right. Oh, it's still 03333333330. Right. Just make sure I've got this right. Score coming backwards. Display score is coming backwards. Display high score is coming backwards. Oh, why is that? Yeah, that's right. Oh, hang on. No, that's right. So, score is 5 and 4, 1 is 3 and 2, and 2 is 1 and 0. Score 5 4 1 3 2 2 1 0. So that's right. So what's wrong with this? What a game changer that is on the C6502. What is this? What I'm doing? Nah. In fact, I'm not going to put the, I don't know. Let's put a breakpoint here. Find out what's going on. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to give myself some points. Right, so let's say there you go. I'm giving myself some. Oh, I can't do that. Give myself some points. Right, that should give me some points. So if I die, I've got some points. There we go. What a high score. Die. Ooh, what is going on there? What is going on there? I thought I'd tested for that. Okay, gotta find out what's wrong with that. Ship. Right, where's the collision detect? Is it straight down? Cuts control. That's change. Place. Remove. Whoa, where's the... Change ship position. Check rocket. Do I check? I don't check the ship. I don't check the ship. Hello, Jason. Morning. I change the ship position, but then I don't check it. I need to check the ship. Right. That should do it. So we scroll the screen, and before we place the shit, we check where it is. Right. That's it. That's better. Right. So how am I going to streamline that? Because really, I'm checking. Yeah. So don't need. So want that. Put there. That. Put there. And that. Put there. Do the LDA. That's checking in front. Right. So we should. Yeah, that's better. That's better. So we die on the scenery now. Right. Let's get this C64 debugger up. Find out why the high score isn't updating properly. Come on. Fire is that. One more. Come on. Right, now we're going to find out why the high score isn't working. So we're loading 40, which is 1.5. Start comparing it with 47. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3E. Why is that 3E? That's why it's not storing it. That's why it's not working. Where can we, if I started at 25, can I pull it back? What's that? 26. So when did I start? When did I start the code? (2D). Why is this? Where is it? 40. 47. What's 47? pointer to the... Load. F10. Whoops. Here. F11. F11. Load. So it's set. So it's actually set already. See, it's changing. Have I got my numbers mixed up? High score equals pillar number. Pillar colour. Well, that's okay. Hang on. I definitely wipe it out, don't I? Yes. Oh dear. Back to 109. I might forego the high score. Right, 47 is there. So why does that? So I set it to 0. F11. Oh, it's gone back to 3E. Oh, it's been used. Right, okay. Something's using that. So we'll skip it. Yes, mate, I know. I'm trying to... I think I've got it now. Oh, cobblers. But no, yeah, 128 bytes there, but that's where I'm gonna store something. This is just the memory. Oh, come on, C64 Debugger, hurry up. Right, so we've now changed it to 49. 49 is there, right. F11. There we go, we're upping out, we're working. Okay, why is the fire not working? Have I switched it off? Right. Oh, I can't get off that stupid memory view. There we go. Still good, still set, still 0 at the moment. Right. Is it going to set the high score? Right. Oh, I give up. Going to get rid of the high score. I give up. Right. So now we just need to do the restarter. So just to copy this, basically. Right. Hopefully I've got no breakpoints in there. Nope. Oh, and we're under as well. Didn't get any points. No. Right, this is the last. Yeah. I don't know why it's flashing, but there we go. Right, so I need to put something where the game is finished. Because at the moment it just looks like doesn't look very good. And also I've got to figure out how to make it a bit easier to play. Let's put that back to note. Right, well, I've done what I set out for today, which was do the ship collision, do the death routine. I'm not going to do the high score, it's just going to be too faffy. We've managed to claw back some memory. OFC1, wow, it's close. We've managed to optimize the drawing of the scene. We're using now one routine instead of two identical ones. And what we need to do now is just tidy it up and then get it submitted. So I might I might do that off stream, I don't know yet. Right, the other half's gone to bed, so I'm going to say thank you very much for joining me. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.